Kwame, normal. Until I'm say.
As a person, I'm for adrian free.
So it's up to Koroko to focus, to stay focused.
Now who's a Koroko supporters chairman, national chairman? I will say Koroko supporters need to focus. Man for margin and
this animal waste too time. At the end of the day, you can move red, but me a parafino on one body. And change hey on one body. Just a be a bedroom or another refino or yare. Seven yamin fasama. So on yamin quadia, yeah, on one body and changing. So it shouldn't be like also Korokodo Madrid Koso because as of folk supporters say Refino, Obedima or Mulusu, Ebi Obedia Makodoko, Nisano man and mind games now as of folk a play. And you see, let's not forget, and yet team no name supporters in resist our concerns way. So Majini say I mean
and our supporters PR say Omo Akache and Penifo. I saw my catch and Penifo. So Yensa
or Kai and Penifo and Penifo. So I want to communicate from Azufu Kana. So it's normal, Kwame. And I'm saying that when you are Kahumbi, give me when you are Kahumbi, and I'm a game, no, I mean hype. Now, Bianca Sabu say Refino or Cocrana or Baka Kohenia Refino.
And your pressure on Motama Ref.
That be refugee, a professional refugee at top pressure amount. And you do referee be away. Pressure away.
No, I heard the beauty of the game.
The beauty of the game, no, when you are Kahumbi, and I'm a game, no, a fair, a day. Emma Hokem.
Chairman Solo say.
Now, I mean, I'm for Musuno, to a dear
supporters, Chairman, say. Dear Sanogo supporters.
Okay.
Let's not concentrate on the agenda of the leadership of the Heart of Folk NCC. Their primary aim is to take our attention away from the match. Let's focus on the game only.
Until they make a Chairman.
But as I said, they must start in the embassy. Moyes chemistry, any codis, one of their form. So, you know, come yanti football, I say. Games, you know, you see, dirty, I mean, game, BBB or movie. BBB or movie. It's yanti as ye. Ubanya Korokoni bisa come on Super Jab, no, can be normal. Let's understand it that way. It's part of the game. Mind games, a guy, a game, a quite be a person of faso, a distract you from playing game no to your best level, no kwame, or be faso. Say yes, say yes, kwame nipa no be faso. And to way normal, and ye be a say them see the car kwame, referee we the only but the said that very day no BBC. Ane, ana o yare. And also the kakon, likely say bet me see. Ah! The game no kono. Referee ye diagra. Ah he o me o ma krade e ba say referee no and na wanya injury. So kwame normal. Let's hope. Say nyame be na hoden. Na nya sa pa dia afie bedru on yes referee ye wo map no wanya I mean injury bi wo kwame. So anti sa pa dia e dia on one bedi. You know, I was say koroko now it's up to you to know how to say oh kwame we be maintaining I mean pressure will be maintaining o momentum no be gather now the moving forward o ma bibia be distracted to come you dey see has folk na can asem say obo say ampo has folk supporters or concern or raise irrespective of bibia no so opinion no you can't tell them why I say bia and I don't know mo can refer asem I don't know mo can say no they are entitled say no also mo can and concerns no mo raising coming omudi evidence and also omudi be back what they were saying and anya sa na me
making points be o ma
no Koroko has and has Kotoko in the Gaka top 4 the same referee there has to say yes sir and what's their problem
is that
you know Kroma na Samosuka utumpo ni epona
say wa akofa be kwame referee asem there bebia ebi koma bebia enti wo kofa azim reba
enti then how to folks should keep quiet and
why do you want them to keep quiet
because say they are okay ebi ko bebia anya wasema wo kan no say ebi ko bebia say ebi ko bebia dia they should keep quiet no more read the referee no
kwame
enti say has we ni game we so a and so be kan da na che referee no
amari so bari bom game no mo
we are master t make us say be a game no Koroko is destined to win the game.
Don't forget House of Folk is destined to win the game.
Any problem.
Okay.
But say nyame ama
amfa fie na korokoko ni game we kim hey na say me fan say referee ni koye mistake twa bi hey
kwame mistake
ye kai
your mistake say a genuine mistake at least wow we hwe game ni bi no na we hwe football ni na we focus because no say referee a genuine mistake you know say a genuine mistake unless someone per say oba accept no aka no correct me kwame you see
do you support the house for supporters ni and say
say mind games eka games no some person me kire o ti it's part of the game. That's the beauty of the game. You don't expect them to say something that will favor you. No. So let's understand it that way. Amu meka bibi e mane nyo de. Say has of folk be cast mama na yom de. Come you don't expect that from them. Just accept it say and don't make biara will go against you. Don't make biara will distract you.
My problem was pressure na as on person the man referee no.
Kwame.
That was my
normal. Yandia na referee appointed referee e El Clasico. Madrid foko yi start by Barcelona foko yi start by say referee we bedi we o my red card ye lose match we wa bedi e ball e bi 10 times ye lose mu 8 ya say Kwame ye ni see that we have countries in even Africa as we have countries that Kwame do matter or mutimi call away ko for any referee back because of what both clubs no eka and so Kwame normal BBC yan tia se house of folk yo omo ni oma omo kan oma sem enti do mbeka bia ni hono ma wo ye koroko supporter wo ye korokoni a wo expect to be cast mama you the no just accept that me move on normal BBC na Kwame ani no wie na so obo no homodin so a ye fa credit no emfa ma ye friend say referee no
okay
so normal
okay
normal BBC ye
Twinsi
BBC ye
okay
na mo ka do mo ken na ti say obi anso si koroko kan say mo ka bibia ana enti koroko hazo fo ku ka bia visa nyoda ana say enko ya Kwame ususu ye enta ti say wo be share opinion normal it happens everywhere BBC
you will also support the echo.
Oh yes Kwame na basa I say my game no hype no control we dey share na dey ka ko pa na house of folk aye we are na afi win bia ba na sa akotia faso a wa wo fit the university kromu a
mate
trolley no be koso dudu na be kasa de mu ye nyina achi ya ba be hye mu na we Kwame ti ase normal my game no ye de
mate
yes
mame nko